All right, welcome back, volunteers. We've been going through the quick help guide to Sunday service slides, and we've just recently put in the children's message. Thanks, Holly, for making the children's message this week. And this is video 8. We're going to put in the sermon slides. So the sermon slides are in box and in the folder called 2021 Images. So that's where it is, and that's where we'll look. Typically, the sermon appears in that box folder somewhere between midnight on Saturday and Sunday morning. So it's usually the last thing we do is we put in the sermon. In this case, Vicki Vanderveen created the sermon, so she did it nice and early in the week. So we will go ahead and pull that in. So the first thing to do, the sermon is a PowerPoint presentation. So we're going to go to File. We're going to say Import, and we're going to say PowerPoint. Now this is going to bring us to Dropbox JMC 2021 Images, and you can see here we have the date 8/08 VV sermon, Vicki Vanderveen sermon. So we're going to go ahead and open this, and it will parse the slides, and we're going to tell it to put it in weekly because this content changes weekly. So we're going to go ahead and say OK. And now if we go to the weekly library here, we will find it in 2021 08/08, which is likely at the very bottom here. Let's go to the bottom. Here it is, Vicki Vanderveen sermon. So we can right click on that and we can say copy and go on over to our playlist, the sermon section here, right after the sermon first slide. We're going to paste it in. So we're going to go ahead and say paste, and it pastes in the sermon slides. So this is all you really need to do. It's actually pretty quick. So let's just go ahead and make sure that the sermon is correctly formatted. To do that, we click on the first slide, and lo and behold, seems to be correctly formatted. And all the pictures that Vicki wanted in her to back up her sermon are here. That was pretty quick. So in the next video, looks like we're nearly done here. In the next video, we just did the sermon slides, number 8. In video number 9, we will add communion when it's a communion service. So we'll go through the process of adding that communion. It's going to be pretty simple. Communion is already a thing we have formatted. So whatever communion we do, whatever communion we have, we'll add it in. So we'll see you in the next video.